How to factory reset Night Owl DVR. I'm going to tell you how to factory reset your Night Owl DVR. First, make sure your DVR is powered on. If you remember your password, go to the main menu, navigate to Advanced Settings, and select Maintain. From there, choose Factory Default and confirm the reset. If you've forgotten your password, try the password reset option on the login screen. If that doesn't work, you may need to perform a hard reset by holding the reset button on the DVR, if available, for about 10 to 15 seconds while the device is powered on. After resetting, the DVR will return to default settings, and you'll need to set it up, including passwords and camera configurations. If you run into issues, check Night Owl support page or contact their customer service for further assistance.